Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to share with you how can you turn on weather in Outlook. Okay, so Microsoft Outlook is a mm, good apps for Android device or any device. So we need to go Outlook, click on it, and then after getting this interface, we need to go here. You can see this icon. Click on this icon, then go to here, right, okay, left left bottom corner, click on it, and then you will see here, okay, just weather off, and click on it. Then here you can see it looks like off. Okay, so just turn it on, then weather data is provided. So for this is the mm, website. Uh, you can information you can get information from Forisa through this weather or through this app. Okay, so just use it. Okay friend, today's no, I think you got a helpful video from this tutorial. Please subscribe this channel, and thank you.